Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit One's financial education resources. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste any time at all. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to visit Credit One's website and log into your account. Also, you can do it on the mobile app. Just log into your account, and once you're logged in, you want to click on financial education. Here you can browse the available resources such as videos, articles, and webinars that are made available by Credit One. And then you can just select the resource that interests you, and you can immediately start learning with it. You can review and understand the financial concepts and strategies, and also consider taking a financial education course or workshop that's going to give you a better understanding and all. And you can contact Credit One's customer support if you have questions or concerns along the way. Do make sure to review and understand the financial education program details, and consider sharing this education resource with others so they can benefit as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit One's financial education resources. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.